Welcome back to the channel. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur. Yes, coming at you with another Make Money Online video, and today we will be covering make money with YouTube videos without showing your face. Yes, and it is another great one coming at you, so let's get into it. Alright, so here we are in the channel that we will be looking at today, where you will not have to show your face or do any talking to create videos just like this. So here we have it. We are in top fives, and obviously they are about top 5 issues or current facts. If we have a look at the videos, we can actually see what it is that they're covering as far as the top 5 is concerned. So the first and the most recent video is the real scary origin behind Siren Head. Now, I don't know anything about Siren Head, you may well do, but clearly this video could be very interesting to people who are from the area or know about this particular topic. If you're into UFOs, 5 UFO videos and mysteries that could prove alien life. So as you can see, they've had 81k hits for that video. The next one, 5 real scary videos that will scare the life out of ... you. 249k videos there, and as we go along, the biggest news in UFO history. So clearly they've been covering quite a lot of topics about UFOs, scary videos, real scary origins, 5 mind-blowing mysteries of the world and nature. So 1 week ago they are getting good views, obviously, by the 100k mark for that one to 200k. 60 scary ghost videos, images and stories, a 2-hour video, yet they've got a 321k views for that one. 5 real scary ghost videos, so a lot of videos about scary topics and UFOs, the most recent ones. But as far as these channels are concerned, they are very good money earning, income making channels, because you can cover any topics you so well choose that are trending. So let's also have a look at how much money a video and a channel like this can make, or how much money per day a channel like this can make. So let's pop on over to the Social Blade and check out how much they make. Okay, so here we are in Social Blade. Let's scroll on down and see what top 5's new video every week in their banner actually makes per week and per month, and how many views they get per month. So clearly they have been running since 2014, quite a number of years, and they are based from Great Britain. They've had 720 million views and 3.3 million subscribers. So a massive channel, this one, but a really great example of how top 5's could actually do for you if you wanted to enter this niche. So here we have a 6.79 million views in the last 7 days, 20.4k to 326k per month, and sorry, that's the yearly, and the estimated monthly earnings 1.7k to 27.2k. So quite a nice amount of money to be making per month, and wouldn't that be awesome to get to that position yourself? That way we don't have to work, and we don't have to do the standard 9 to 5 work, which would be awesome, wouldn't it? So here we have 3.31 million subscribers, 139k views per that specific day on the 31st of May, and 720 views total, and the income of $35 to $557 for that day of viewing. So as we know, the CPM for such channels range anywhere from 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. So if we even roughly guesstimated the middle ground for between $35, assuming that this channel is monetized, we are roughly looking at $200 odd, 250, 270, somewhere like that. So even if we could make $270 per day from such a channel, we know we would be winning, and overall we could definitely live off that and have a nice life. Now let's also look at how this channel can be created for you at home, and we will also check out a video or two of top 5s to see how we can also recreate these videos for ourselves and create authority for ourselves in this space and niche on YouTube. So here is the most recent video that Top 5s has created, and you will hear a voiceover to very static images. Now do not be alarmed, as the video is about not showing your face and not having to talk, but we will find people who can actually create these videos and voiceovers for us. So let's take a few seconds and have a look at the real scary origin behind Siren Head. Let's go.
Move over, Slenderman, because today we look at Siren Head. Now before we begin, don't forget to check out our Patreon page. We recently uploaded an hour-and-a-half documentary on the Vietnam War, and have tons of content over there that we do not post to YouTube for you to enjoy for just $2 per month. We've also opened up...
Okay, I'll just quickly skip on by, because that is their promotional material, and they are trying to obviously gain more income from subscriptions on another platform.
Captured the imagination like no other. Siren Head is described as a 40-foot tall humanoid creature with a heavily emaciated near-scaled...
So as you can hear, they are simply doing a voiceover regarding Siren Head with music in the background that makes it sound creepy and dark. So let's find out how we can get these stories written for ourselves, and also where we can get such music to put in the background of these static images that they have sourced. Alright, so here we are, we're in Fiverr.com, and here we can see that I've just entered scary voiceover, and we'll scroll down and you can see down here that you can get any one of these people from $8.50 roughly NZ dollars in my country. If you're in America, that is obviously cheaper again. So you can get one of these people to do your voiceover for your scary story for $8 and going right up to a more premium $67, and there's all prices in between, but there are people here that will read your script for you, and you will not have to have your voice on YouTube, and you will have an authority based channel that you will be able to get views on and eventually make that money exactly like Top 5s. So let's move on through to how we can also find the script. Okay, so here we are. I have simply entered Scary Story Writer, and we have come up with many options. So scrolling on down, anywhere from $8 again right through to $25 and up to $33, that these people will write you a horror themed story for you. Now if you had a specific topic such as Siren Head, as we saw in the Top 5s, you could actually ask these people to research the subject for you. I'm sure if you ask several of them, you will be able to come up with a perfectly written story for your channel. So you just simply get your story, from your writer, and then you would send it across to your voiceover person. Then you would actually have all of the material that you needed. The third thing we need to look at is the images that you could use in the background while the voiceover is running. So let's look for those images now. Okay, so here we are, we're in Google. I've simply done a image search, scary images, Siren Head, and this specific image is what they used in their video. So very interesting. They have used free images online, not necessarily saying that they have the license to use them. This one was also part of the video. You can see that is actually there. And if we scroll on down, there are more and more images of Siren Head. And clearly it's been quite a well-known subject, and it has been spoken about on Reddit, YouTube, by the looks of things, Pinterest. The other option you can go with is actually a Storyblocks license that I've mentioned on the other videos that I've done regarding the make money with YouTube and making YouTube videos without showing your face. So check out one of those other videos. They will be linked at the end of the video, and I will also put the link in the description down below so that you can check out Storyblocks for yourself and pick up a license so that you have uninterrupted ability to download images and videos and music for yourself for videos that you would like to create, just like top fives, and create an authority channel and make that money online without showing your face or without having to talk yourself. So go on and check out one of those other videos. I challenge you to give this a go and create videos where you can make money just like these top 5 channels. Alright, so as I mentioned, I challenge you to give this a go because it can work as long as you are consistent and you want to make that money on YouTube with videos where you do not have to show your face and you do not have to talk. So go on through and check one of my other videos out about making money with YouTube without showing your face. Check them out. And thank you so much for watching. It was Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, and I will be dropping more videos for you to make money online. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.